This episode was made possible through the continuing support of Paul Plusa and viewers just like you. Check out the links in the description and see how you can come hang out online with the team and I. There are tons of ways that you can get involved, learn cool things, and help us make videos just like this one. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, and welcome back to the plant. Have I got a treat for you? So, meat's been dancing in the pit. So this isn't Bootsy, this is meat. And, it's soaked to the bone. That ain't water though, it's alright. It's 26 degrees outside. The river's frozen on the top. It's alright, the streets are frozen all over. And you're lubed up pretty good there.
I try.
You want to tell people what happened?
Well, the bolt was not a bolt, it was a cap to a rather large oil drain.
So we have a Kaplan turbine, and it's looks like, well, here, we could show them. Let's show them what we got here.
Don't follow the bucket of oil.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to not. Everything is slick as fuck. This is like booger on a brass doorknob levels of slick. So there's the turbine down there. On the bottom of it, it's shaped like a propeller, okay? And on the bottom of it, there's a nose cone. And thank God we've got the floor in down there right now, so it doesn't just drop right down to the river like it did a couple days ago. You can see there's a big floor on the bottom. We put in a plywood work platform. So, Meat here got tasked with the job of removing the cap on the nose cone, and apparently you guys all thought that just held on the nose cone, like it was just a bolt that held the cone in place?
Yes.
And what did it actually hold in place?
A lot. And lot is an understatement, lot of oil.
A lot of oil. Like how many ballpark, how many gallons of oil do you think you got in there?
Well, probably lost about 5 gallons trying to get the cap back on. And then there's another 2 buckets there and we're still not done.
Okay. 5 gallons, you say?
So we're at about 15 about now.
You think?
Give or take some.
How deep is the oil on the floor down there?
About 3 inches.
There's 3 inches of oil on the floor. How big an area?
8 feet, give or take.
So 8 square feet or 8 feet circle?
8 feet circle.
So an 8-foot diameter circle, 3 inches thick, and you think that's 5 gallons of oil?
Well, I mean, it's not uniform the whole way.
Oh, okay.
It's just really piled in the middle.
We're gonna let the people comment in and give you an idea, because it ain't 5 gallons down there. It's a little bit more than that.
Hey, a lot of things happened while we were yelling about getting the cap out.
It's a shit show. It's the whole fucking day is a shit show. And everybody's pissed at me because I'm the electrician who showed up 5 minutes after they did this. You're well lubricated.
Thanks.
I haven't seen anyone that lubricated since prom night.
So on our picture here, because we got our lovely drawing.
This is the
breakdown.
So this is the bolt you took out here.
Yeah.
And this is full of oil, and this is a gearbox because the blades are variable pitch.
So fun fact that we found out today, right here is where the nose cone splits.
Okay.
There's a brass ring right above it.
Okay.
And it looks like a lead ring above that.
Okay.
And there's flathead screws through the whole brass ring all the way around.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Those are going to be easy to take out. No problem at all.
Yeah, right.
It's been sitting in a river for 100 years. What could possibly go wrong with us?
Oh, you know.
We should probably, not the two of us, especially you covered in oil, stand in front of the flamethrower.
Ow.
I'm just saying. The level of gunge and filth has just gone up exponentially.
Yeah, we cleaned this.
Yeah, this is after they clean. This is my gear over here. That's my base camp. I got all kinds of fun. I love it. It's labeled electrical because this originally was for working on a house. That's my little box for, and now it's just that's electrical, and that's electrical. That's my electrical bag. That's got just power tools in it. But I'm doing it for electrical work. You could be a rock star wearing pants that shiny.
I know.
The good news is it's great for your boots.
They're pretty waterproof now.
Oh yeah, they're waterproof as hell and just the softest, most supple leather. That's quality.
So, fun fact, I was looking at some people's comments on your Facebook post.
Okay.
It is actually not just supported by 1 point. There are 3 points holding it up.
What?
There was a comment on your people that were worried about me standing under it.
Oh, that's supported by 3 points.
Yeah, so you got...
So just the shaft and the turbine up there are supported by that. And
just the shaft.
what's holding the turbine up?
The 4 chains are hooked to straps, which have I-beams on the bottom. There's a kind of hammock.
Oh, and it's cradling under and resting on the blades of the turbine.
Yes.
Which is super good.
It's not holding the whole weight. It's
No, but it's...
They're close enough together that if anything moves, it won't have enough time to gain.
I feel better. But safety first. You're going in the hole, not me.
I know.
Okay.
It's my job.
You got a fucked up idea of a good time. And you ought to see my Friday nights, and I'm saying you got a fucked up idea of a good time.
Hey, if I was having a good time, I'd be home playing Xbox. But here I am, at work.
This is why you make the big money.
I don't make
Look at
any
that.
money.
Oh, that's helping. Yeah, you more of that. Just
It's actually helping.
that's yeah. I think
I just
I
need
think
the
you
pools.
might need some more blue
I
shop
just need the
towels.
pools gone.
Is
Okay?
that what we're going for?
The pools hold the cold. It's all I'm going for right now.
You sorry sumbitch.
Hey, man. Hey,
I think you got 5 gallons just in your jeans.
probably. It's quite cold.
So you're the only person who got oil on you, but you're totally covered in oil.
Because I was laying on the ground. Because I was holding.
Oh,
I was holding the
shit.
wrench.
All right. Well, fuck.
That's why my sweatshirt's soaked too.
You know what the title of this video is going to be?
What?
Greased meat.
Works for me.
Take it clevis. A little clevis or something.
The safest, most stable place in the world to stand.
Watch out.
This thing.
Easy. Ready? Stay back a little bit so they fucking splash. I have a guy in the hole. You can get it right out of there. Yeah. Right on that hole right there. You want the rope where it is and get a guy in the hole. There we go. Ready, beat it? Yeah. Make sure motherfuckers in there. Go ahead.
Take the strap.
I'll bucket through then. The what?
Not my truck. In the back of my truck.